Alright, let's look at the homework 9.2, problem number 9. Alright, so we want to use Euler's method with a step size 0.1 to estimate a y of 1.5, where y is the solution of this differential equation, y prime equals 3y plus 3xy, and the initial condition is y of 1 is equal to 1. Right, so let's do this with GeoGebra. So I'm going to open up GeoGebra here. All right, so I'm going to use the spreadsheet. So I'm going to view and go to spreadsheet, right? And then let's do this. All right, so first thing I would do is I have to define a function. So I'm going to say f of x comma y is equal to, right, so it's going to be a 3y and plus 3xy. So you can put the star y and or you can put a space there. It's the same thing. So I'm going to just hit enter. All right, so function is defined here. All right, then we have to define the step size. So I'm going to call it h. So it's going to be 0.y. And we got that. All right, then what we're going to do is here using the spreadsheet, and I'm going to type in the initial value. So we're going to use column A for x value and a column B for y value. All right, so it's going to start from 1, 1. So I'm going to put the 1 here, and let's see if I can type it in. 1 here and the 1 there. All right, so here I'm gonna do what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take this value, add the step size, so it's going to be a1, and I'm gonna add the step size h, and then hit enter. All right, then I'm gonna copy this, Control C. Then I'm gonna let's see, so you have to go from 1 to 1.5, so it's gonna need 5 steps, right? So I'm gonna have to go to here, and then Control V to copy the formula here. All right, so we have 1, 1.1, 1.2, all the way through 1.5. All right, so for y value, so what I'm going to do is use the Euler's method. So which means that you take B1 and you add f of, right, A1 comma B1, right? So the reason why I put A1 and B1 is that the A1 holds the x0 value and the B1 holds the y0 value, right? So plug those in, then we multiply by step size and then hit enter. All right, so click here and then Control C to copy the formula. Then I'm gonna paste the same formula down here. All right, so we have that. So which means that when x is 1.3, y is 4.33. When x is 1.5 and y value is 12.58. All right, let's see. We want 4 decimal places. All right, so we have to be we have to change. Go to Option, Rounding, and go to 4 decimal places. All right. So it looks like we have a 12.5844, right? 12.5844 is the answer. So let's check. Submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.